Since you mentioned CNCF tool, so I would also love to know what does the CNCF or open source stack looks like inside Akamai and Akamai Cloud?
So the stack that we're working on is obviously built on Kubernetes, right? Right now we're using a combination of Crossplane, Argo CD, to kind of provision clusters internally. And the way we approach it is clusters are cheap. So we hand them to teams, and the teams are able to build on top of that. But the core of what we're looking at is like, so you don't just get a cluster, right? We have expectations of what that cluster looks like allow listing against it, like who can communicate with it. You have the ability to focus on the observability aspects of it. Like, so you just get a vanilla cluster, but you get a position to where you have all of these capabilities built into it that we then hand to the engineer, right? And so we're trying to give you a faster time to delivery, like a faster path to production, and that's kind of the goal. So that looks like, again, Argo, Crossplane. You asked me about the things we're using. Crossplane, the observability stack that's pretty typical. So Open Telemetry, Grafana, Loki, Prometheus. I'm trying to think of some of the, Kyverno as a policy agent. Like, so again, we need to be very aware of kind of what's happening in our cluster and write policies so that it doesn't matter whether it's an intern, a senior engineer, or an AI agent that's thinking about like interacting with these clusters. How do we make sure that what is applied against the cluster is like safe to go out into production?